Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 20th day of October 2025. Wow, 2010, 2025. Good for all you numerologists out there. All right, we're going to look at the trade of the day, trade taken in the room by myself and others live in the room. So here we go. To check the PVI out, I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 30 and 50 ticks in length. So we'll look at our ATM. We'll do 16s, 30s, and 61s. That's probably our favorite in this session. And what we're looking for is our strong candle indicator right there. So we've come on down. We've tried to go long and failed. And now we've got this massive strong candle on the way down. So we'll sell off of that. Start out with a cover order. If it retraces any significant distance, we'll go ahead and put a trade on the actual candle body. All right, it's pretty straightforward. Strong candle indicator only available at samuraidaytrading.com. And it's a massive one. We use it all the time. So here we go. Now we'll pick this order up. If it happens to retrace a little bit more, we'll go ahead and put it on the retrace. We until we get picked up, we'll just play it at a regular speed. It was pretty slow today compared to last week when it was just off the charts volatile. All right, there we go. We got picked up on the cover order. Stop goes to where it needs to be. We're going for 16s, 31s, and 61s. Once we hit the first targets, we will de-risk the trade completely. And now we can speed it up a bit. This may take, I think it takes a couple of candles anyway. So there we go. 4 times market pace. Maybe we need to do a little bit more. It was pretty slow today. The charts were a little slow. All right, so we de-risked the trade completely. We'll get another order ready just in case it comes back and takes us out at break even. All right, so now we don't have any risk on the trade at all. All we can do is make money. The worst we can do is break even. And here we go. And again, we got to be ready because if this retraces and takes us out, then we just put another order on. All right, 30 tick targets out. So 15s and 30s are out. Now we just sit here and wait and see if we can get our larger target. Oh, boom. Okay, that was pretty quick. All right, so we did go into the second candle. So this trade took exactly 7 minutes to complete and was worth 620 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 620 US dollars in 7 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. Samuraidaytrading.com. Got all the education you need, got all the indicators you need, and come and join us. We got a really nice community over here. So look forward to seeing you in the room. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.